Tijuana's tourist dangers are often exaggerated. Zona Rio is safe for visitors. Tijuana, Mexico, often finds itself in the headlines for the wrong reasons. Stories of crime and violence dominate the media, painting a picture of chaos and danger. However, for many tourists, especially those visiting for medical or dental tourism, the reality is far more relaxed and secure than what's commonly portrayed. If you're planning a trip to a dental clinic in Zona Rio, Tijuana's modern and upscale business district, there's no reason to be overly concerned as long as you take common sense precautions. The truth is, like any city in the world, Tijuana has its safe areas and places best avoided. Most of the crime that makes the news occurs in neighborhoods far from where tourists go, especially from areas with heavy cartel activity or local disputes. Zona Rio, on the other hand, is a well developed part of the city with a strong police presence, modern infrastructure, and a steady flow of tourists and professionals. Zona Rio is home to some of Tijuana's best dental and medical clinics, upscale shopping centers, international restaurants, and hotels. Many Americans cross the border daily for high quality, affordable dental care in this area. These clinics cater specifically to tourists and maintain high standards of safety and service. The local authorities understand how important medical tourism is to the economy, and they work hard to ensure that the experience remains positive for visitors. Despite this, the media tends to focus on the most sensational aspects of life in border cities. Stories of violence and crime may grab headlines, but they don't reflect the daily experiences of most tourists. In reality, millions of visitors safely travel to Tijuana each year for everything from medical treatments to nightlife and shopping. The vast majority of these visits go smoothly, without incident. Of course, like when visiting any foreign city, it's important to use basic safety measures. Stick to well-traveled areas like Zona Rio, avoid wandering into unknown neighborhoods, especially at night, and keep an eye on your belongings. When you follow these simple guidelines, your visit is likely to be just as safe as visiting any major U.S. city. In fact, many tourists are surprised at how clean, modern, and welcoming Zona Rio feels. With bilingual staff, U.S.-style customer service, and a variety of restaurants and cafes, the area often feels more like San Diego's little sister than the dangerous city shown on the news. In conclusion, the idea that Tijuana is a dangerous place for tourists is often exaggerated by media outlets looking for dramatic stories. While no city is without risk, staying in safe, popular areas like Zona Rio significantly reduces the chances of running into any trouble. If you're heading to Tijuana for dental work or a short getaway, rest assured, stick to the well-known zones, stay aware of your surroundings, and you'll likely find your trip to be smooth, affordable, and even enjoyable.